It's sort of make up our mind is a no decision. Can make up our mind to come to the Lord is a yes decision. You can catch an amount sometimes. We sit on the fence and I look on the other side. So you can so well up at Ranwood, should I need $5. Okay? Look on the other side. If I will have Ranwood, we should I need $12. Then next week, I get paid. Then look on the other side. You need $5 if I will have on beach. If I stay on the Budweiser. Okay? So our decision came and try to again. Now try to look at the picture. Pay decision more okay, but rather more sort of more income. But decision gun is not going to take you anywhere. Say yes to the Lord. Say yes to the Lord. Try to work him. He's alive. Every day can aside. Wait them a my more encounter. The way that I've been always encounter. Don't feel ashamed of yourself. We all go through the same path. Runwards, find mark a run, make the right decision. For one reason. We have a church here. That's why we came. Don't waste the distance. You can walk. Some more, the man can take less than a minute. But the carrots, not my line here. Not my kaka. Chasang ni train pasoko. Tranko to all in wasa. You did the hard work. But it's only take you from there to here to live abundantly. My third wish that I answer. And so more round. Try go sang kawin. Nirin kasala to rejay.